Exercise 3.1, Chapter 3, Polynomials. So, polynomials ax square plus bx plus c is one of the polynomial. The Chapter 1, 3.1 exercise. If p of x is equal to 5x to the power of 7 minus 6x to the power of 5 plus 7x minus 6, this is the sum. What is the coefficient of x to the power of 5? Degree of p of x, constant term. These are the coefficients. These are the powers. 7 is the power of 5 to the power of 5 x to the power of 7. It is a power. X power is 7. Degree 5 is coefficient. Minus 6 x to the power of 5. Degree is 5. Minus 6 is coefficient. Plus 7x. Degree is, there is no anything. So 1 is degree. 7 is coefficient. 6. This is the constant term. So 6 x to the power of 0. The degree is 0. Coefficient is 6. So 6 is the constant term. There is no any degrees. Also x to the power of 0. So coefficient of x to the power of 5. X to the power of 5. This is the x to the power of 5. This is so x to the power of 5 coefficient minus 6. Minus 6 is the coefficient of x to the power of 5. Degree of the p of x. Total degree of the p of x. So highest degree is 7. So degree of the p of x is the 7. Highest value of the degree is p of x. So 7 is the degree. Constant term is minus 6. Constant term is minus 6. Ax square plus bx plus c. The degree of the polynomial is 2. X coefficient a, x square coefficient, x coefficient b, constant term c. So next, state which of the following statements are true and which are the false. Give reason for your choice. The degree of the polynomial root 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. So here it is root 2 is coefficient. The degree is 2. So the degree is root 2. No, it is a false. Answer is false. Reason. So the degree of polynomial is 2. So reason, the degree of polynomial is 2. This is the degree. This is the coefficient. So next, the coefficient of x square is the p of x. In the p of x, 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7 is 2. The coefficient of x square, this is the term is x square term. This is the degree. This is x square coefficient minus 4. So it is 2. False. Because x square coefficient is minus 4. The degree of constant term is 0. The degree of constant term. So here it is constant term. The degree. So f to the 0. The degree is 0. So it is a right. True. So any degree of the constant term is 0. Any constant term degree is 0. 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. No, it is not quadratic polynomial. The quadratic polynomial is x square plus bx plus c. x square plus bx plus c రూపంలో ఉంటేనే అది quadratic polynomial అవుతుంది. తప్పితే any negative number is not a quadratic polynomial. This is a false. Reason the quadratic polynomial is x square plus bx plus c form ఆ రూపంలో ఉండాలి. సో it is a negative form 1 by x square. So this is the degree is -2. The degree of polynomial is 1 more than the number of terms in it. False, because the degree of polynomial is 1 more than. This is the degree of polynomial. So అంటే polynomial డిగ్రీ ఎంత అయితే అంతకు అంటే ఒకటి ఎక్కువగా పదాలు ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. అంటే ఇక్కడ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ 1 2 3 4 అయితే వాడు ఇచ్చినట్టుగా డిగ్రీ 7 + 1 8 ఫార్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 8 టర్మ్స్ ఉండాలి. కానీ అలా లేదు కదా, అంటే ఇది రాంగ్. అంటే టర్మ్స్ కి డిగ్రీస్ కి సంబంధం లేదు. సో ద డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ ద polynomial is 1 more than. సో reason the degree of polynomial is not the number of terms in it. So true or false? Complete. Next sum. If p of t is equal to t square minus 1, find the values of p of 1, p of minus 1, p of 0, p of 2, p of minus 2. To get this, p of t is equal to t square minus 1. So p of t. Next we want p of 1. So t స్థానంలో 1 వేయాలి. 1 square minus 1 is equal to 1 square means 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 square minus 1. 1 means 1. 1 square means minus 1. 0. Next to p of minus 1. అంటే ఇక్కడ t స్థానంలో minus 1 వేయాలి. minus 1 instead of t. minus 1 whole square minus 1. minus 1 means minus 1 whole square. minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1 into minus 1. minus 2 minus 2 plus 1 into 1 1. So 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is also 0. Next to p of 0. p of 0. So p బదులు 0. 0 square minus 1. 0 square means 0. 0 into 0 0 minus 1. Value minus 1. Next to p of 2. p of 2. అంటే t బదులు 2 వేయాలి. 2 square minus 1. 2 square means 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Next to p of minus 2. t బదులు minus 2 వేయాలి. minus 2 whole square minus 1. minus 2 whole square equal to minus 2 into minus 2. minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 to the 4. So 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So p of minus 2 is equal to 3. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial x to the 4 minus 16. Zeros of the polynomial minus 2 and 2 x to the p of x is equal to x to the 4 minus 16. You want to instead of minus 2 is equal to x, as well as instead of minus 2 is equal to x. First x बदल minus 2 వేస్తాను. minus 2 whole to the power of 4 minus 16. minus 2 whole to the power of 4 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So minus 12 to the 4 is equal to 16 minus 16. This is 16. 16, 16 cancel 0. As well as say 2. P of 2 is equal to x बदल 2. 2 square 2 to the 4 minus 16. 2 to the 4 as well as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 minus 16. So both are cross 0. So minus 2 and 2, the zeros, the polynomial of x to the 4 minus 16. Fifth sum, check whether 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. So as well as fourth sum, you will instead of x is 3. 3 is instead of x. p of 3 is equal to x को बदल 3. So x square 3 square minus x को बदल 3 అంటే x ఉన్న దగ్గర 3 వేయాలి. x square 3 square x 3 minus 6. x 3 square means 9 minus 3 minus 6. 9 minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. So plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So next minus 2 p of minus 2 అంటే x కు బదులు minus 2 minus 2 whole square minus x means minus 2 minus 6. So minus 2 whole square minus 2 whole square minus 2 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 to the 4 4 minus minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 minus 6 minus 6 plus 6 so 0. So f of p of 3 p of minus 2 is equal to 0. So 3 and minus 2, the zeros of the polynomial is x square minus x minus 6. Please subscribe our channel Satish Master 491.